I'm trying to cut it. I don't care. I just need it to get cut. It worked the first time. You know what? It was that easy all along. All right. I know. Yeah. We're gonna be going fishing today.
Catch something. Pulling up weeds.
So we're starting with the Texas rig. Rage Curl. And he's using a lipless crankbait. So Aiden, do you want to do the part where we switch POVs? We're done with this, so. Well, Aiden, do you know how you told me to like pause it when we were switching spots?
Yeah.
I was actually making a video with Marshall, but it never got posted fully. So I was riding my electric bike with a tape to my chest. It worked. So I might just. We're just gonna cast it right up on that pile.
Just makes the video longer and it's just.
Yeah, I'm not gonna pause it, but I'll cut it out. Like, I'll cut it out of the actual video. But like, I'm not gonna pause it because if I had to pause it, I would have to take all this off and put it back on. But how I'm gonna do it is, I'm gonna record it, and then once I'm about to post, I'll cut it out of the video. And sometimes I'm just gonna skip some of this, like where we're just casting normally, and skip to a part where we're about to catch a fish, like 2 or 3 casts away. All right. I'm gonna move down. Hey! You got me wet. Yeah, look at that action. So beautiful, she got me like that.
I'm right there in my sweet spot.
Yeah, I don't know why he calls it a sweet spot. He caught one fish at it in his whole lifetime. But I guess, whatever floats your boat. So we've actually hooked up on a nice one yesterday. This is currently pre-spawn, so not many people can fish for game fish, but people under 16, I think. So it's unpressured. This guy's yard is about to flood. Yo, Aiden. This guy's yard is about to flood. Alright. I'm just gonna be walking and casting. I'm just moving and casting. The walls? Where? Oh, the walls. So yeah, we hooked up on a nice one yesterday and the day before. So it's cold today, bro. I'm just gonna let that sink. Just gonna pop. I do think we're gonna get on some fish today. Alright. This was any other season, we'd already had 3 bites, but well, right. Oh, damn. Slipped. I just slipped. Yeah. I'm gonna look at my lures and see what I want to tie on.
We're gonna try a spoon, but
Yeah, but you might get some pike.
True. Could get some pike's attention.
Yeah.
The sun's not reflecting the water, so.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't?
No. As long as it's daytime and see how shiny it is, just because the water, it's just gonna go do 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 do. Does see how this is like reflecting? It doesn't have to be the sun, it just has to be that like glare. Low key. I kinda wanna go for a Texas rig on one of these. One of these.
Oh.
I wonder if this jointed Rapala is.
Have like this one
Yeah, those are smaller.
that twirls around. So we'll probably get some pike. I don't even know if you tie that on.
That's a snake. I low-key wanna tie this on and try to get some crappie.
What is it? Huh? Oh. It's a little spinner on it.
Call me stupid or not. Are jointed Rapala, like floating jointed
I
Rapalas?
got my salty noodles.
Oh, you got hooks in there? Salty.
They look salty. Look how salty they look. I don't think that's even salt though.
Probably just plastic.
These are all my things. I don't have much. This is my setup, and we've only been fishing for not even a year yet.
I need more tackle boxes. Yeah, I need like a backpack that has a carrier, like 4 armor slots.
I have red ones.
Yeah, same. I think I have every single one of those.
Oh wow, I kind of love this one. What's the feeling? I feel like this would have worked good. I'm not gonna tie it on that today.
I kind of think this might get slimed.
We're holding the same thing.
Yeah, mine is very old. Maybe. Mine is very old though.
Oh yeah, mine's brand new. These are brand new. I don't know why.
Yeah, I feel like one of these would get slimed out hard.
These things, salties.
Stop calling them salty.
You can't tell me those don't look like salt.
They look sugary.
Alright, what is sugar?
What the fuck?
That's how they came. But they're regular size hooks at least.
Can you even Texas rig with these?
Yes.
Let me try. Oh, I gotta go to the backside.
You're a big fan of this lure? I'm big for this rig.
For now.
Alright, turn my turn. red thingy. The
Or red thingy.
new red thingy. And mine's not on this one.
Oh.
And fish hate red, so they'll like it. If I have an actual big piece of it. How do you put those on though? I have new ones right here.
Oh, that's not what those ones are for.
They're the same thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are for like making your own. Like the homemade spinners. Yo, that Loki looks fire.
Remember this video I watched? This guy used a homemade. He made it and he caught this big of a pike.
You think a fish would get hooked if I use this?
Let's see. Where's the hook?
It's right here.
Not even
Hmm?
sticking out. Does it have to?
I don't think so. Actually, hold on. So
You
we
don't
just-
think so? I might have to use the gold one. I feel like this one flashes more the silver one.
yeah.
Could use these. Fucking things, I don't know if these help.
Loki, one
Is
of
it?
these might get slimed. It's kind of big though.
Why is it I've never used this lure since I forgot it?
I've seen you use that.
When? I've never used
Oh, you used it in the channel.
it. No, I
Yes,
didn't.
you have.
I've never used this because it's my favorite one. I don't want to lose it.
Okay, so that's probably the number 2 mistake when fishing.
What?
Not using lures that you like.
Funny. Because I already used the same one as this one. It's just I like the blue on this one.
Seriously?
It's on my other rod.
A color?
Yeah. And the fluffy bit on the back. That's cute. What should I call it?
She was like a noodle.
Gotta go for the spinner.
It's a spoon.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Well, I just looked at one of your small ones, so that made me say spinner.
Where do you see spinners?
You were holding one.
Where?
It's crappie on.
That's not a spinner.
What was a spinner?
It's not a spinner. It had like part of a spinner on it. That doesn't make it a spinner.
Oh. Well, there you go. There's a part.
How does that make it a spinner?
Makes it half spinner.
No, it makes it like 1/4 spinner.
Alright, and then it's a 1/4. I already went up that road.
Ow. It hurt. I kind of want to use a trick worm. Okay.
You need to clean your thing up. It's messed up.
I don't care. As long as it works, it works. That's my motto. As long as it works, it works.
Were you supposed to say model?
Motto.
Motto.
That's like a policy, like for jobs. That's our policy. That's my motto.
I learned that from a movie. Can't tell if my hand's warming up.
Look at that. You think that was good eating?
Yeah. Okay, I'll cut her fingers.
Cut your fingers?
Cut her fingers.
Oh, they should
I
cut
said
my
it really
fingers.
quiet. And I said it with my tongue.
Cut the fingers.
Yeah. Okay, hang on. The hell away from me.
Yo, I got it straight.
Alright, gang, I'm just gonna try to tie things on it.
I'll be outside with my gang.
This has the red thingy on it. It's not broken yet. For real, he just backed up all the way. Went up that hill all the way down the hill.
Hey, there's a bird's nest. Right there, on the log, above his window.
Finally, lure's off my fishing pole. I need that meat egg.
Perfect. Alright, I need your scissor cutting thingy majiggers. Alright, we're gonna tie on this little curly tail. That's my life. Alright. Huh? Uh-huh. Nope.
The only reason I don't like fishing.
Tying knots.
Yep. After putting your line in the water, you gotta go kind of like make it wet.
Yeah, you always gotta do that no matter what. He has a spoon on right now. He's going after some pike.
Not too bad. Actually, Bass will eat this too. Either it's a pike or a bass like that today.
Oh, guys, I'm just trying to get this straight. So, it's messed up. Guess we're just gonna put some bullet weights on. So, let's close that. Let's go to my little box. And yes, guys, I would have put a bullet weight on. But I forgot. Because I don't know why, but I just did. Alright. So we're just gonna have to use a split shot. Just using a little split shot like that. Gonna clamp that onto my line. Click it a couple inches above the line. Alright. We're good. Got that all set up. Let's just see the action on this. Oh! Oh my, Aiden. I was not expecting this action. Oh, my legs hurts.
Ooh. Feel a spin on the tail.
Yeah. Oh. I think that was weed. Yep. Alright, I'm just gonna troll it a little bit. Alright. Oh, my leg hurts. I know. Okay, we're just gonna cast it out there and just wait for it to sink a bit and it's real. Oh my god, it's cold. Yeah, I don't want to fish over here. Oh, hold on. A bite. Oh, look. A mistake on the way. It goes another mistake. Gotta get hit. I feel like I'm gonna get some hits on this because I already got one bite. Go down a bit. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Switch the other way. Oh, hold on. Wow, I spit it. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. I'm gonna cast right here just to see if there's anything that's hiding in these little shallows. Another mistake. Caught a big one.
Dude, I found this thing sticking in the water, so I'm like, oh, let's see what it is.
You just hooked it?
Oh! I found a fish!
Oh!
That's funny.
Yo, Eden.
What is that? Most babies bluegill.
That's not a bluegill, Eden. That's a shad.
Oh, I caught a shad.
I kind of want to use it for bait.
You should.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, look there.
Yo, he caught a little shad. Yeah. I am. Yo, he just caught the shad. Hold on. Aiden, I had to put him somewhere so he doesn't die while I tie it on. Do you have a bucket?
No.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
If we ever catch a bass, should this?
We need to try to catch more of that size for bait.
Yeah. I know.
Aiden, you might not want to, but you should buy a cast net. It's a net like where you throw it in the water.
Oh yeah, I've seen this.
Because we can use it. Or we can go down to the other place over there, catch some bluegill or stuff. Yeah. You want to go over there, catch some bluegill, and use it for bait? Or try to catch bluegill?
How are we gonna catch bluegill?
Plastic stuff like these, like little red worms, little stuff like this, little jigs. And like cut one of these up into a small piece and use this.
I'm confused because.
On open your bail. All right.
Oh, I can.
Oh. All right. Yeah. It's not good yet, but like it's closer. Oh my God.
I got that one.
Or, Aiden, we can go lift some rocks and catch some bluegill. Or minnow. Can you go grab the bucket under the wheelbarrow? Because we're going to put worms in it. Because we're going to go over here and flip some rocks. Hold on, before that, let me just get this rod side up so it can just...
Oh, I was going to grab it and use it.
Huh? This is also his.
That's just a bucket.
And he owns it, and that's also a bucket. I said the bucket under the wheelbarrow. No, why would I? What?
Yeah. Hey, I'm not done. I'm going to warm up my hands because the damn wind's making me. Forearms.
Right. Wait, can you grab the bucket though? Alright. Alright, get to set it there.
Huh?
You're gonna set it there. You're gonna set it there. Oh, I need my bobber. Yo, Aiden. Any chance you could walk over there and grab my bobber?
Where?
It's over there. Cause I took it off a couple days ago. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that pigeon. He's just watching us.
Feels a bit heavy.
Because there's water in it, I think.
Oh yeah. Hey buddy.
Oh, I think they're angry at us. 'Cause we're just kind of like... I think he's ready to attack.
Dude, he's staring at us, bro.
I think we're too close to his stuff, so he's angry. I still don't even know to this day how I make that noise. Ow. That was close. It was like an inch away from the barb. Or like a centimeter. Hello. He's not gonna eat you. He thinks you're gonna eat him. Now I feel bad. Just kidding. Grab me the fish.
Don't touch that thing.
It's a fish. It's a fish.
Oh, the hook.
Ugh. Oh, that's cold.
Well, I didn't want to put my hand in there.
Yo, that's not a shad.
What is it?
A crappie. That's a crappie.
If it's a crappie, then we're keeping it. You want to hook that guy? I want to see him grow.
That's a bass. No, it's either a bass or a crappie. No, that's a crappie.
No. Look at the mouth.
Yeah, crappies have big mouths. And he has spots.
Okay, no, that's crappie. Look at the mouth.
Or do you want to keep him and like...
I want to keep him to see how he grows.
So
Yeah,
Aiden,
we should keep him.
So
Another big one?
at my mom's house, I have a bucket that we can put him in that makes air. So we can keep him alive for a very long time.
I'm seeing those. Hate them son of a bitches. Oh, John's full service around here. They're trying trying to steal 4 guys at my dad's work because they're trying to take over their garbage company's whatever routes. Johns are trying to take over, and it's like a fight right now. Who's gonna win? And them bitches are trying to take their jobs away before people would lose their jobs.
Oh. So, that looks so weird.
What? Why did your teeth like that?
It's because I cut it in half.
Why would you do that?
So it's not like this big of a piece.
Oh.
Guys, look at my tape. Alright, you wanna go flip some rocks?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, I know the good rocks. If we do catch more, like that size, I'm gonna keep that one itself because that one is like a year old at max. Oh no, he's like 4 months old. That fish.
Yeah.
So if we catch more somehow, actually I might have an idea. All right, so first,
It's just funny how it's like
this is a good one to flip. Wood.
I just see those little bugs. What is that? Like a wheel to like a.
Oh, it's like a camera or a light. All right, let's flip this one.
Looks good. Worms.
Got 2?
Got 1. Wait, we can catch bluegill. There's like what we're trying to do.
Yeah.
Oh, we missed one.
Missed another one. This is a green one.
Get in there.
We need some dirt. All right, flip that one.
Which one? This one.
Nope. All right. Let's do this long one. Or oh my worms. Worms.
Where? Oh. No, come here. No. Wait, I'm handing you some. That's a big one too.
Oh. Yeah, I got like a couple green worms.
Get back here, my guy.
Check the logs.
Alright.
Now let's lift up some of these cinder blocks.
That one?
Yeah, this one. It's like the only one that you can actually lift up. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Hey, there's another one right here.
Right here.
And one right next to mine.
Oh. Okay.
Huh?
Is that it?
Yeah.
I think we can flip
Yeah, they're all like in the ground.
Oh yeah, check that out.
Nothing?
That's surprising.
Yeah.
Second.
At least something.
I found another wood thing we can do.
Where?
Tip this one over.
Alright. Oh, it's mostly leaves. Oh, let's try this brick. Yeah, I think both can. Oh, that's all. Did we already lift all 3 of these?
Alright, how many do we have?
I'll get them out, and we're gonna cut them.
Is this in the ground?
Where do you live?
It isn't in the ground.
Oh, I thought we already did that one. No.
Oh, it's a green worm.
Where?
There. It's good for bait. That's all I see.
Yep. Yeah, centipede.
The sun. Nothing.
That's stupid. How long has this bench been here?
No, I swear when I was sitting here all yesterday caught that bass, I don't remember that being.
Oh yeah, now I remember it. Actually, let's lift up these. That's gonna be too wet. Oh,
Nah, it's not so like.
that's not even
It's
down
not
yet.
even heavy. You gotta do the bait.
Oh, that should be.
See that rock right there? It's not.
Yes.
Oh no, it's not water. Yeah.
You can actually lift up that piece of wood.
Oh my god, there actually might be a lot of worms in there. Done it.
Lift.
Whoa. Never seen it.
Yo, hold on.
It's like holes.
What?
Damn, I wish there was a bass sitting there.
No, if that's not covered, we can use that.
Worms!
Where?
Put it back up! Some two big ones.
Oh my, that's one giant one.
Hell yeah. Alright. I think so.
Okay, we got enough. Yo, hold on, Aiden. I'm gonna see if this guy wants to eat.
Oh my god. Give him one of them small.
Yeah, it's a small one.
Where is he?
Right there. Let's just leave it there.
This looks like drum belly.
I got caught.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna use these small ones. I'm gonna use a small one.
Oh, found it.